In this video, you will learn how to create and organize your folders on Google Drive. This is where you store and organize your files and folders. You'll need an Google account in order to access the cloud to save your content. If you don't have an account, I will leave a link in the description below to a video on how to create a free Google account. Google offers 15 GB of free storage. The Google Drive is where your files and folders are stored, as known as cloud-based storage. Your files can be accessed anywhere at any time from many devices such as smartphones, computers, tablets and many others by signing on to your Google account. Let's get started. I will go ahead and open the Google browser. Drive.google.com in the address bar above in the web browser. Then press Enter. You'll see the Google Drive page. I'll go to the Drive sign on the page. Now with the Google Drive open, I'll show you some basics on how to organize your files and folders on Google Drive. Think of Google Drive as your file cabinet at home or work. The only difference is printed documents, statements, receipts and other items are placed inside folders, which are organized by handwritten or printed labels. When you pull the drawer open on a file cabinet, there are folders labeled by categories along with documents inside each one. It doesn't require a lot of imagination to think of ways that your printed documents could be put at risk: flooding, fire, and theft. By saving your files and data to the cloud, you will be able to access them from any device, any location by signing into your Google account. With Google Drive open, I'll go ahead and create my first new folder or category on my drive. I can do this by clicking on the New button, on the left side of the screen, and click on Folder. You will then be prompted to type a name for your folder, which is your category name. I will name my first folder Personal, and click on the blue Create button. I'm going to repeat the process to create 2 more folders to show you the process again. Next, I'll click on the New button, on the left side of the screen, and click on Folder. I'll name the second one Work, and click on the blue Create button. I'll go ahead and click on the New button, on the left side of the screen, and click on Folder. I'll name the third folder Home Projects, and click on the blue Create button. I just added 3 folders to my Google Drive. You will notice that the folders I've just created will appear in alphabetical order. If you prefer, you can display the folders in a list view by clicking the list icon up at the top. Another cool feature is you can assign a color to your folders. I make the Personal folder the color blue. I'm going to right-click on the folder and then click on Change Color. There, I'll go ahead and select blue. I'll change the color of the Work folder to red. I'm going to right-click on the folder and then click on Change Color. There, I'll go ahead and select red. Last, I'll make my Home Projects folder green. I'm going to right-click on the folder and then click on Change Color. There, I'll go ahead and select green. Now that I have all 3 folders created, I'll show you how to create subcategories within each folder. On the left side, you will see the folders listed under my drive. If they are not listed, click on the arrow to the left side of my drive. That will expand the list and will appear underneath. I'm going to create 2 subcategories for my Home Projects folder. I will right-click on the Home Projects folder and select New Folder. I'll name the first one Outside Projects, and click on the blue Create button. For the second category, I'll right-click on the Home Projects folder and select New Folder. I'm going to name it Kitchen Projects. Now I have 2 categories created in my Home Projects folder. Next, I'm going to create 3 subcategories for my Personal folder. I will right-click on the Personal folder and select New Folder. I'll name the first one Finances and then click on the blue Create button. I'll go ahead and right-click on the Personal folder and select New Folder. I'm going to name it Images and then click on the blue Create button. Last, right-click on Personal folder and select New Folder. I'll name the last category Education. Now I have 3 category created in my Personal folder. Finally, I'll create 2 subcategory in my Work folder. I will right-click on the Work folder and select New Folder. I'll name the first one Payroll, and then click on the blue Create button. For the second category, I'll right-click on the Work folder and select New Folder. I'll name the last one Expenses and then click on the blue Create button. Now I have 2 categories created in my Work folder. If this video was helpful, Be sure to give thumbs up and leave a comment. To receive video updates, please subscribe and click on the bell notifications. Thanks for watching Computer How To channel. Computer tips and tricks with a click.